Hello everyone, welcome back to section 7 safer driving mock test. As always, the best way to prepare for this exam is as if you were doing a real exam. That means no distractions, put everything away, maybe wear some headphones and try your best. Make sure you answer every question within the time limit, even if you don't know. But before we start this video, I just want you guys to watch this quick video. Before we start this video, I'm going to introduce you guys to the SERU revision handbook I have created. This book is perfect for those who are preparing for the SERU exam. It has multiple choice questions from section 1 to 10, making sure you are prepared for every section. You can view this in your phone, tablet, computer or any electronic device. You will be able to go through it in your own time. The questions in this handbook will not be on my video, so you'll be getting your money's worth. It's only £19.99 right now, so not too expensive, especially when you consider it has over 80 practice questions covering section 1 to 10. So make sure you scan the QR code right now on the screen or use the link in the description. I will also have a QR code on the screen in the corner somewhere for you to check it out. If there are any issues with the link, I will update everyone through the comments on my videos, so make sure you guys go pick it up. That's right guys, I have made a SERU practice exam. This covers every section 1 to 10, so if you are interested in it, do make sure you scan the QR code somewhere on the screen. Question 1. What is a recommended approach to driving safely? Is it A, drive at the maximum speed limit at all times? B, drive as fast as possible to reach your destination quickly? C, drive at a speed within the speed limit and one that is appropriate for the situation, environment and weather conditions? D, ignore speed limits and focus on your destination. So pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is C. Drive at a speed within the speed limit and one that is appropriate for the situation, environment and weather conditions. Question 2. When it comes to safe driving practices, what should you consider? A, always prioritize speed over maneuvering safely. Avoid looking carefully when pulling out of junctions. Careless or dangerous driving is encouraged and comes with no penalties. D, think about the maneuvers you make, ensuring they are safe, including looking carefully when pulling out of junctions, turning across traffic or passing cyclists or motorcyclists. So pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is D. Think about the maneuvers you make, ensuring they are safe, including looking carefully when pulling out of junctions, turning across traffic or passing cyclists or motorcyclists. Question 3. What is the rule regarding driving under the influence of drugs or alcohol? Is it A, you must never drive while you are under the influence of drugs or alcohol? B, it's acceptable to drive after consuming a few drinks as long as you feel fine? C, you can drive under the influence if it's a short distance? D, the police can only test for drug and alcohol use if they suspect you are breaking other laws. So pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is A. You must never drive while you are under the influence of drugs or alcohol. Question 4. Who is responsible for ensuring that all children under 14 years of age wear seatbelts or sit in a approved child car seat? Is it A, children themselves are responsible? B, it is the responsibility of schools to enforce these rules? D, drivers are responsible for making sure that all children under 14 years of age wear seatbelts or sit in an approved child car seat? Or D, only the parents or legal guardians are responsible for this rule? So pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is C. Drivers are responsible for making sure that all children under 14 years of age wear seatbelts or sit in an approved child car seat. Question 5. Under what circumstances can children travel without an appropriate child car seat but still sit on a rear seat? Is it A, children can always travel without a child car seat on a rear seat regardless of age? B, children can travel without a child car seat on a rear seat only if they are 3 or older and wear an adult seatbelt. C. Children can travel without a child car seat on a rear seat only if they are under 3. D. Children should never travel without an appropriate child car seat. So pause the video now and pick our answer. The answer is B. Children can travel without a child car seat on a rear seat only if they are 3 or older and wear an adult seatbelt. 6. What does the Transport for London expect from professional drivers regarding awareness of vulnerable road users? A. TFL expects professional drivers to prioritize their own convenience over pedestrians and cyclists. B. TFL expects professional drivers to ignore pedestrians and cyclists as they are responsible for their own safety. C. TFL expects professional drivers to be fully aware of other road users, especially pedestrians and cyclists, and to give way to pedestrians on side roads, be cautious when turning in slow-moving traffic or pulling away from traffic lights, and ensure they provide enough room when overtaking cyclists. D. TFL expects professional drivers to ask for their passengers to open the doors into the road without checking for cyclists. So pause the video now and pick our answer. The answer is C. TFL expects professional drivers to be fully aware of other road users, especially pedestrians and cyclists, and to give way to pedestrians on side roads, be cautious when turning in slow-moving traffic or pulling away from traffic lights, and ensure that they provide enough room when overtaking cyclists. Question 7. What does Annex 6 of the Highway Code say about windscreens and windows? Is it A. Annex 6 encourages drivers to decorate their windscreen and windows with personal items. B. Annex 6 states that windscreens and windows must be kept dirty to avoid obstructions. C. Annex 6 advises drivers to attach mobile phones, sat-navs and other devices to their windscreen to enhance visibility. Or D. Annex 6 specifies that windscreens and windows must be kept clean and free from obstruction to vision, which means not pulling or fixing anything onto your windscreen that will stop you from seeing the road ahead, including mobile phones, sat-navs and other devices that reduce your vision. So pause the video now and pick our answer. The answer is D. Annex 6 specifies that windscreens and windows must be kept clean and free from obstruction to vision, which means not pulling or fixing anything onto your windscreen that will stop you from seeing the road ahead, including mobile phones, sat-navs and other devices that reduce your vision. Question 8. Why is it important to ensure that the devices in your vehicle do not obstruct your view of the road? Is it A. Dangers such as pedestrians suddenly stepping in front of you or bikes coming up side streets can occur, and obstructive views increase the chances of distractions or not seeing dangers in time. Devices should be positioned to avoid reducing visibility. B. Obstructing the view with devices is encouraged to keep drivers entertained. Or C. Devices obstructing the view have no impact on safety. D. The obstructing the view with devices only a concern during nighttime driving. So pause the video now and pick our answer. A. Dangers such as pedestrians suddenly stepping in front of you or bikes coming out of side streets can occur, and obstructive views increase the chances of distractions or not seeing dangers in time. Devices should be positioned to avoid reducing visibility. Question 9. Why is it important for PHV drivers to follow the advice given regarding cyclists, pedestrians and other road users? Is it A. PHV drivers are not required to follow this advice as they have their own set of rules. B. Following this advice is unnecessary since PHV drivers have a lower risk of collisions compared to private car drivers. C. PHV drivers are almost twice as likely as private car drivers to be involved in collisions resulting in the death or serious injury of a cyclist, so it's crucial to reduce the risk and ensure everyone travels safely. D. This advice only applies to cyclists, not PHV drivers. So pause the video now and pick our answer. The answer is C. PHV drivers are almost twice as likely as private car drivers to be involved in collision resulting in the death or serious injury of a cyclist, so it's crucial to reduce the risk and ensure everyone travels safely. Question 10. When should you check for cyclists, pedestrians and motorcyclists even if most vehicles are stopped in traffic? Is it A. Only when you're changing lanes, B. Only when you're turning left and right, C. Always even if most vehicles are stopped in traffic, D. Never, as those road users should always be cautious. So pause the video now and pick our answer. The answer is C. Always even if most vehicles are stopped in traffic. Question 11. What should you check regarding your seat and seat belt in the driver's compartment? Is it A. Check the seat color, B. Ensure the seat is in good condition and can be adjusted, C. Verify the seat's age, D. Check the seats for stains. So pause the video now and pick our answer. The answer is B. Ensure the seat is in good condition and can be adjusted. Question 12. What condition should the passenger compartment be in? Is it A. Dusty but clutter free, B. Clean with all equipment in good working order, C. Filled with personal belongings, D. Painted with bright colors. So pause the video now and pick our answer. The answer is B. Clean with all equipment in good working order. Question 13. It says 12 but it's 13. What are tires required to be free from? Is it A. Stickers and debris, B. Cuts, lumps, bulges and tears, excessive air pressure, D. Bright colors. So pause the video now and pick our answer. The answer is B. Cuts, lumps, bulges and tears. So that's the end of the question. If you did enjoy the video, remember to subscribe as I will have more of these mock test videos coming up. Anyways, do make sure you do scan the QR code somewhere on the screen if you are interested in the SERU guide. Remember, it does cover section 1 to 10 and the questions I have put in this handbook are not questions that you will find in the video, so it is worth your money. It's only £19.99 and it's very helpful for those people that are practicing and preparing for the upcoming SERU exam, as it means you can revise in your own time and practice in your own time. It has over 80 questions, so do make sure you do have a check on that. Anyways, if you are preparing for your upcoming SERU exam, I wish you the best of luck. Thank you guys for watching.